Click on the link below to get price. Introducing the GC-20S Coil Winding Machine, an innovative tool designed for those engaged in sewing, embroidery, and other winding applications. This double-head splitter winding rewinder machine seeks to streamline the process of winding threads, providing users with enhanced efficiency and versatility in their crafting and manufacturing tasks. At first glance, the GC-20S stands out due to its dual-head functionality, which allows users to work on two threads simultaneously. This feature is particularly beneficial for those who require multiple spools of thread for complex projects or for those who seek to minimize downtime by winding two threads at once. The machine is constructed with durable materials, suggesting longevity and stability during operation. One of the notable features of the GC-20S is its adjustable tension mechanism. This allows users to customize the winding process according to the specific type of thread being used. Whether working with thicker embroidery threads or finer sewing threads, the adjustable tension can accommodate a range of materials, ensuring that each spool is wound neatly and securely. In terms of user-friendliness, the machine is designed for easy setup and operation. The user interface is straightforward, making it accessible even for individuals who may not have extensive experience with similar machinery. The assembly process is also designed to be intuitive, with clear instructions provided, facilitating a smooth start for users who are eager to begin their winding projects. When it comes to maintenance, the GC-20S emphasizes efficiency as well. Regular cleaning and minor adjustments can be performed without requiring specialized tools, which is a significant advantage for those who wish to keep their machine in optimal working condition. This consideration enhances the longevity of the device, allowing it to serve users' needs over time. In conclusion, the GC-20S Coil Winding Machine emerges as a practical choice for individuals engaged in sewing, embroidery, or similar tasks. Its dual-head functionality, adjustable tension settings, and user-friendly design combine to create a machine that offers both versatility and efficiency. For those seeking a reliable and efficient solution for their winding needs, the GC-20S presents a thoughtful option worth considering.